Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals, some sea animals, and some dinosaurs. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a shark. A shark is a sea animal. The next animal is a horse. A horse is a farm animal. The next animal is a dolphin. A lobster. This is a lobster. Octopus. This is octopus. A squid. This is a squid.